Welcome to our geometry lesson. Today, we are going to explore a very special type of angle called the straight angle. It is a fundamental concept in geometry that connects lines and circles in a fascinating way. First, let's quickly remember what an angle is. An angle is formed when two rays meet at a single point. This point is called the vertex. The space between these two rays is what we measure as the angle. Now, imagine opening those rays until they point in exactly opposite directions. When you do this, they form a straight line. This specific formation is what we call a straight angle. The vertex is right in the middle. In geometry, we measure angles in degrees. A straight angle has a very specific measurement. It is always exactly 180 degrees. This number is key to understanding straight lines. Why 180? Well, think of a full circle, which is 360 degrees. A straight line cuts a circle perfectly in half. So, half of 360 gives us 180 degrees. You can see this clearly on a protractor. A protractor is the tool we use to measure angles. The straight edge at the bottom represents a straight angle, stretching from 0 on one side to 180 on the other. Let's look at a real-world example. Think of a clock face at 6 o'clock. The hour hand points straight down, and the minute hand points straight up. Together, they form a vertical straight line, creating a 180-degree angle. Another beautiful example is the horizon. When you look at the ocean or a flat field, the line where the sky meets the earth forms a flat, straight line. This is essentially a giant straight angle stretching across your view. To visualize the difference, compare a right angle, which is 90 degrees, like the corner of a square, to a straight angle. The straight angle is exactly double the size of a right angle, opening up completely flat. To wrap up, remember these key points. A straight angle looks just like a straight line. It measures exactly 180 degrees, and it represents half of a full circle. Thank you for learning with us.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.